How to unblock someone on TikTok. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through how you can unblock someone on TikTok. So just go ahead and open your TikTok app. When you open your TikTok app, go to the profile section. When you open the profile section, just go ahead and click on the three line menu showing just above your screen. When you click that, I want you to click on where it says settings and privacy. When you click on settings and privacy, go ahead and click on where it says privacy. When you click on where it says privacy, you can go ahead and scroll down to the last end of your screen of the page. So you're going to be seeing block account. So click on that. When you click on that, you can see these are the account that I've blocked. So just go ahead and click on unblock, and this is how you can unblock someone on TikTok. Another way you can be doing this is just go ahead and search the person's username. So if it's your friend that you blocked and you want to unblock the person, just search the person's username. Use the search icon here, guys, and go ahead and search on the person you blocked. So on the top side of the profile section, you're going to be seeing unblock. So just go ahead and click on unblock. So I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. See you on the next one.